Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video topic is how to calculate percentage change in Microsoft Excel. Here in this Excel sheet I have some products name and their sales quantity in year 2024 and 25. My requirement is to calculate the percentage change here in the D column. For this I can use here this formula. Press equal to open bracket, click on the latest value minus click on the old value bracket close divided by click on the old value, then press enter. Click on the result, then change this to percentage formatting by clicking on this percentage symbol. If you want to show the digit after decimal, click on this increase decimal option, then drag this formula down for other products. So this is the percentage change. The another formula you can use is click on the cell, press equal to, click on the latest value divided by older value minus 1. This also gives the same result. Change this to percentage formatting, then drag this down. The another formula approach is click on the cell, press equal to, click on the latest value divided by the older value multiplied with 100 minus 100. This gives the result directly in percentage like this 9.09%. You can decrease the digits after decimal by clicking on this button, then drag the formula down. And here in this case the percentage symbol is not attached with the number, but in these previous formulas you will get the result with this percentage symbol attached. You can choose here any formula method. So this is all about calculating the percentage change in Excel. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in another tutorial.